Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we shall write a Python program to find common elements of two lists. To write this program, we have to first convert the two lists into the sets because we have no operations to find the common elements of two lists in Python. So first of all, let us define the list. List 1 is equals to, and the second list 2 is equals to, okay. Now let us convert them into sets. I am taking the first set to be set 1 is equals to set of list 1. This statement converts the first list into a set, and let us convert the second list to set of list 2. Now let us find the intersection of set 1 and set 2. Common elements is equals to set 1 dot intersection of set 2. Now let us print the values. Print common. If you want the output in the form of list, you can again convert the set into lists. Okay. Now let us run the program. 2, 3. If you want output in the form of list, we can convert it in the form of list 2 common list is equals to list of common, that is the set common can be converted into list. Now let us run the program. Sorry, we haven't printed the common list. Print common list. Now let us run the program. 2, 3. We have it in the form of a set and in the form of list 2. Okay. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to G Programming. If you have any doubts regarding the program, feel free to post them in the comment section. Thank you.